again? Yeah. Hey, can you guys Skype now, or? Dad did? Alright, well, we're all set up and ready, so whenever you want to call, just call. Alright, bye.
Should do it soon if they want to see him
Dad
awake.
She said Dad just called me and said, can we do that skipping thing?
The what?
Skipping?
And they'll be able to see him with his eyes open and with the hiccups.